Hi, this is the Honor 70 Lite and I'll show you how to share us. Welcome, this is the Honor 70 Lite and today I'll show you that the device comes with a charger by default. So let's first open the box. Let's check the accessories. And we can see that unfortunately our device comes only with a USB Type-C cable, and unfortunately we have here any chargers. So if you want to use the charger with the Honor device, you should buy the charger separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.